this is Safa. Welcome back. In this video, we'll talk about a common issue in sliding mode control, chattering, what it is, what it occurs, and why it's important to address it in real-world applications. Chattering refers to rapid, high-frequency switching in the control signal, often seen when the system state is very close to the sliding surface. It's caused by the discontinuous nature of SMC, where the controller constantly switches direction to keep the system on the surface. Let's look at what causes chattering in practice. Even though the controller is a mathematically sound, real systems have delays, noise, and limitations. The controller's attempt to respond instantly lead to the unstable switching behavior. Here's a simple visual. As the system approaches the sliding surface, the controller keeps flipping direction to stay on track. This creates a zigzag or a square wave pattern. That's the chattering. Chattering isn't just a small annoyance. It can actually damage actuator, introduce unwanted vibrations, and even destabilize sensitive systems, especially in high speed or precise environments like underwater vehicle or robotic. In the next video, we'll look at how to reduce chattering while keeping the benefits of SMC. We'll explore methods like boundary layer and higher order sliding mode control. Thanks for watching. This is Safa. We're learning together one concept, one line of code at a time.